This one gonna be a quick one. It's not gonna be a very long video. All right. Happy Sunday, our Sunday morning now or Sunday evening. I don't even know, but it's one of them. All right. Right here we got almond milk, avocado, and we got some cashew nuts and ripe banana. All right. Secret recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you exactly what you need to do and make this at home. All right. Yeah, you're kind of drink this one, guys. All right, so basically we got some cashew nuts right here. We're gonna put roughly about half cups into the blender. All right, and now we're gonna get 1 finger of ripe banana. All right, straight inside of it, just like that. And then secondly, we're gonna get avocado. All right, now avocado is full of lots of health benefit, guys. If you doesn't know that, please give me avocado. We're using half of avocado. Secondly, we're going to be using ocean moss, sea moss. All right, you can get this on the website, chefricardo.co.uk. You can get this one, all right? Now, what we're going to do, we're going to put roughly about, let's measure it out, roughly about 1/4 cups inside of it. We're not going to be using too much. All right, beautiful. Now, we're going to blend up this right now. We're going to put roughly about a teaspoon of honey inside of it. And 1 cup of almond milk. Guys, this is for you. And as you can see, that is just an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo in the day. Alright? So basically, if you're at home and you feel like you want to try something at home and make something different, then this is for you. Okay? I want you guys to make this one. Please tune in and watch the video and see exactly what Chef Ricardo been doing. Alright? Beautiful recipe, and trust me, you guys gonna love this one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. Wicked. That is exactly what I'm talking about right here. Alright, so that looking nice and looking good. So right here, you guys definitely, you know what I mean, can give this a try. Alright, yeah, new brand recipe from Chef Ricardo. Now look at the color and the texture of it, and this is exactly what you want to see at home. Alright, look at this, beautiful. Shh, don't tell anyone your secret. Drink this tonight before you go to your bed, and you'll see exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about. We're making all different kind of bedtime drink. Remember to check out the Ocean Moss website and get your one. All right, guys. Beautiful, fantastic, and amazing. And as you can see it right here, this is it right here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching Chef Ricardo show. We really appreciate it, 100%. And definitely we will be coming with a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. All right, and that's where you can see exactly from Chef Ricardo cooking today. Let me see what I go on right now. All right, good morning, Nicole. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Island Kitchen healthy recipe, healthy run. This is just an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo today, and I would encourage you guys to give this one a try. Very simple and also delicious. All right, beautiful one. If you can make it at home, I would encourage you guys give this one a try at home. All right, it's easy. It's just some almond, avocado, ripe banana, and almond milk and some sea moss, and we're good to go. All right, so yeah, please share the video and please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, it's a beautiful recipe, and I will encourage you guys to give this one a try. All right, yeah, and this is where we are at the moment. Now we're gonna give you one more recipe, and hopefully you guys will like this one. All right, beautiful one, and a friend can tell a friend, as you can see. All right, so tune in, guys, and watch this video. All right. Yeah, this one gonna be one of those kind of recipes. So basically, you know me always make my regular drink every day. Alright, and you know, so Chef Ricardo, I have to make this a kind of juice. Alright, every day I normally make this one. And it's just an amazing drink to share with you guys. Alright, it's a beautiful one. And if you like the recipe, yeah, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend can tell a friend. And that's where Chef Ricardo is at the moment. Alright, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna be making this one. It's gonna be a simple one. Alright, big up Ocean Mass. Big supporter of Chef Ricardo, you know what I mean? Always a support me. Big him up a while ago. We just make the punch. You know? So basically, as you can see, guys, that one is just fantastic and amazing. Alright? Beautiful one. Welcome on the show, my brother. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. So we're gonna get a piece of ginger. Alright, yeah. Piece of a ginger. And this one is just like, you know what I mean? That's for drinking in the morning. Yeah. Alright, beautiful one. So this one is gonna be a different kind of drink. Alright, yeah. So we're gonna get some apple. And the apple will be different right now in this. So get some apple and cut it up into your blender. Alright, yeah. Very nice one. From Chef Ricardo today. Alright. Yeah. Ocean Master, if you watch back this video, yeah? Big up yourself, man. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. Nice one. Alright. Now we're gonna get one lemon, or you can use lime. Alright, we're gonna remove the skin. We already have the ginger. So, yeah, here it is. That's it, guys. And we're good to go right here, alright? I normally make this all the time. So this is my favorite drink I normally make. So we're gonna blend this up now, alright? It's a beautiful one. Nice and lovely. Alright. Yeah, so basically we're just gonna pour out this one. Alright. So as you can see, got a lot of ginger. Alright. Now, we just met the Ocean Mass punch a while ago. This one. Please check out them website, guys, and please support them, alright? Trust me, you can get them product any time of the day. Night, morning, and evening. Follow them on their Instagram and them, their Facebook page, their website, and them YouTube channel. Alright? Yeah. Big up them all the time. You know what I mean? We have to support them. Alright. Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo today. Alright, here it is. I just made mine from it a while ago. Alright? Yeah. Beautiful one. So now this is Chef Ricardo natural juice where me promote all the while and ask my audience to make it. Send me the link and we'll post it into the description box. Alright? Right now, if you watch this video right now, the only thing I would say to you, make this and send me the link. Alright? Yeah. Make it, send me the link, and we can, yeah. So if you watch the video, send me the link, 100%. Alright. Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo today. As you can see for yourself, this is just an amazing drink, guys. Alright, now here it is. So I always drink this, guys. This is my favorite drink. Alright, a lot of people keep asking me, Chef Ricardo, what you been doing to look like this? Are these kind of the things I normally drink? I know what I mean? I normally drink my juice like this. That is fantastic and amazing. Beautiful. Here it is. Just met this a while ago. Alright. Check out the Ocean Mass YouTube channel or their website and support them. Alright? Yeah, man. Beautiful one. Anyway, guys, we only have 29 person liking the video. We got what? We got almost 100 people watching. So, you know what I mean? That's that yeah, 30 gone. So, guys, if you're watching the video, share some love. Alright? Yeah. As you can see for yourself. Beautiful one. Yeah. That was amazing, guys. Alright. That was fantastic, lovely, and delicious. Alright? Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes coming up. And a lot more ideas. Alright, so yeah, if you like what I just make a while ago, yeah, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright, so this one was sea moss, almond milk, ripe banana, and all them thing there. Alright, so if you never see how I make this one a while ago, alright guys, if you didn't see the way how I make it, trust me, you need to try this one at home. This one is the normal one. Alright? Yeah. So let me show you exactly what I just did a while ago, because this just can't too much. Alright? So basically, alright? So basically one way you need to get to make this kind of drink. Alright? This is from Chef Ricardo. I'm gonna tell you what I go on right now in the kitchen. Alright? Yeah.